welcome to day 2. Hey guys, guess what? We've got water. Oh yes, the boat's finally going to get rid of all that Sahara dust and sand. And Linda Luz is doing a good job washing it all down with a jet wash. Awesome. Now we're in business. Day 2. Hey folks, well it's starting to look a bit cleaner now, and I'm trying to fix the anchor bar. There's a couple of little dents I need to sort out, but Linda Luz has been washing the side, and ever since so she's looking a lot brighter. Anyway, right, I'm pleased to confirm that the roller bar is now working. Both the wheels are working nicely, and put the pin back in, tightened everything up, got the proper screws there and there, so happy days on that. So Linda Luz has been de-dusting the boat, although there's still plenty on there, but anyway, cracking on. So the next little job I'm doing now is this. If you're a subscriber or you saw one of my old earlier videos from last year where I made a marker, the reason I made a marker is because from the helm I can't see how far the anchor is away. So what I've done, I've measured that when the red bit's about there and I can see it from the helm, I know that my anchor is going to be about there. Okay, about there. So so that way, instead of pulling the anchor up really fast, when I see the red part, then I know that I've got to go slow, and the anchor will just nicely fit and slide underneath the bow there. So what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to repaint this. So as you can see, it's quite worn out. So I'm going to got some red paint, the same red paint that I bought before. Yes. So here we go, our kids. Here we go. Oh, I can get the top off. Hold on a minute. Jesus, but Jesus. So if you get covered in red paint, don't blame me. Right, here we go. So I know my ladder's getting painted. It doesn't matter about the ladder. What does matter is when I can see my anchor. So I'm just going to let that dry now. So that's my marker. And I'll give it another quick blast. Spare me for a minute. Let's put that down there and roll this puppy over here. Like that. Turn the chain around. Oh, it's all good stuff, guys, all good stuff. But you wouldn't believe how simple this is. What a simple idea makes such a difference to how I bring up the anchor. That's the thing. Well, I think we're suitably painted now, I think. So let that dry, and then probably put a little bit more on. Done. There, how's about that? How's about that then? Okay, so there you go. Bit of red paint, simple idea but extremely effective. So that's for anybody that's got a windlass. So to give you an idea, I will see that red paint. You can see the length of the anchor from there. It's about 4 foot, something like that. So the minute I see that red chain up on the bow there, then I know that that's the length that's left to be brought up out of the sea. All right. How cool is that? Rock and roll. Well guys, we've pretty much done all we can today. She's looking a lot cleaner. Still quite a bit of dust on there, but she's had a real good bath, and she's still actually quite shiny from last year's buffing actually, so she shouldn't take much polishing up this time, but she's certainly looking a lot better. Obviously I've got to compound this out, which won't be a problem, that's easy enough. Got the anchor bar all sorted now, that's all working nicely as you saw earlier. So tomorrow it's compound time. It is. Get the buffer out and compound all this and shine her up. You probably see a bit, like I say, it's still quite dusty, but she's quite shiny considering. You see that, you know, that's the window screen after. Let me show you. After it's been washed. So you can see it really was somewhat dusty. Perhaps next year I'll get a dust cover like this guy. Does it look dust free? Yes, it does. So perhaps that's the trick. Do as the locals do. So anyway, that's it for now guys. And so signing off. All the best. Say bye bye Linda Luz.
Bye.
And we'll catch you on day 3. Oh yes. Yes, yes. Rock and roll!